service cables for hydro. That way I can provide the power once they're finished with the outside. So these cables, I'm simply going to be prepping them to install. As you can see, I've already have one cable cut, and these cables here, I have to install them also for the panel that's located, the both panels that are located upstairs on the first floor and the second floor. Obviously, if I don't connect these wires, the panel upstairs is not going to work. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. You can leave a like also. So this is basically my 400 amp. I'm going to switch this on because you're not seeing it right now. Okay, so basically this is my cables that I'm prepping and going to be installing them today for the main service that they're currently working on the outdoor. If you guys want to go back to my latest video that I just done today. So yes, this is a 400 amp service that I'm going to be working on right now on my cables. And as you can see, that's the main breaker. It's a patent and everyday panel. It's an Eaton breaker, and it's got the trip settings. As you can see, it's got all these fancy stuff on it. You can change up all the dials on this. Let's see if this spot here will allow me to finish off the video, my short video. Okay, let's see if this works. So again, that breaker, it's a special breaker that you can basically take out, do a whole lot of stuff with it. Now that I have actual panel cover off, you can see it from a distance because my Wi-Fi is going to chip in and out once I go closer. Please like, share, and subscribe as you come in. And that breaker actually, yes, so that breaker, you can change the setting on it. You can do a lot of stuff on it. It's one of those special breakers that costs a lot of money. And so in order to get it right, you want to make sure that your connections is properly done. Also, once I turn this panel, I'm going to be leaving this breaker in the off position, and I will turn it on from the disconnect. Actually, I'm going to turn this breaker on, and I'm going to be turning it on from the disconnect instead of the actual breaker itself. And that's pretty much it for this quick live. As I said,